welcome to Beauty First and 10. Today we have an unboxing and I had another trip to Kate Spade, so we're going to take a look at what I got. So first of all, the main thing that I was so excited to get. So this here is the Kate Spade New York City Pretzel 3D Crossbody. This retails for $429 and it is so great because it has this handle, and I wish you could feel this. There's so much nice cushion in this handle, and this is, you know, kind of heart-shaped on the back, and then obviously you got the pretzel shape on the front, and then it's got this little tiny mustard packet that is actually the zipper for this purse. And then you can see also you've got the rhinestones that act as the salt, not all of them, but a lot of them. And so this is great. And this is also the perfect shade of kind of gingerbread fall brown. So I really, really like this. They also had a number of accessories associated with this. So they had a coin purse that looked just like this that also opened up. So if you're not quite as committed to the entire 3D pretzel, you could definitely check out some of the other items. This has a lot of room too. I saw it when I was in the store. So let's open this up here. And it's got a strap. So if you didn't like the handle strap, it does come with a crossbody strap as well. And then you can see that there are card slots on the inside here, and then the Kate Spade logo. But this is actually really easy to get your hand into. A lot of times with the Kate Spade novelty, it is very difficult to get your hand in and to actually retrieve items. So it's always nice when I find a Kate Spade bag that actually is both novelty and adorable and also functional, which don't always go hand in hand with Kate Spade. So this one is great, and this is going to be with me all fall. And then next up, so this is one that they had over the summer, and I saw it in there. It had just gotten to the Kate Spade store that day, and so they had some of these left over. So this is the Kate Spade Playa printed 3D crossbody t-shirt. And as you can see here, it's got the sunglasses, it's got the nice tropical shirt, you've got your kind of two wings. There's not much kind of to those. And let's take a look. Oh, this is actually really cute. It's got, if you can kind of see that there, you know, the shirts when they have the little hook so that you can hook them, it has that. The attention to detail with Kate Spade sometimes is just amazing. So this one doesn't open as well, but it does open. And then this one has kind of a shorter strap. So you've got your strap handles here and also over here for you to attach that. But I'll show you the inside now that that is out. So you can see there, I mean, it's not a horrible size. And then we've got some tissue paper here. Let's see if there's a little coin slot. Oh, yeah. So over on this side here, you've got a little slot that you can use for credit cards or other things. So it's not going to be your largest purse in your collection probably, but this is really cute. And I'm going to store this away for summer. So I was very excited to get that. And this one, let me just double check, retails for $458. And then the other thing I got is, so let me just unwrap this here real quick. So I got this t-shirt. So this is their peacock floral t-shirt, and I'll just kind of bring that in close so you can kind of see that. But really nicely done. I really enjoyed this print, but I mostly bought it because about a month or so ago, I got the peacock purse. So this is their 3-day peacock plume purse, and you can see there again the attention to detail is great. And then I actually took the silk tie that they have as a hair tie, and I actually made that the strap and used that on both sides here. So, but I thought, well, since I have the purse, it'd be nice to have the t-shirt. So I got that as well. So that is everything that I got in my Kate Spade unboxing. So I hope you enjoyed that. And both of those items that I showed first, and the peacock one is also available, but you're going to have a little bit harder time finding that because that was out about a month ago. But the pretzel purse and the tropical purse both just landed in the Kate Spade outlet. So make sure you check those out both online and in stores. And again, happy shopping.